Tired of scrolling through Pipedrive's default columns to find the data you actually need? I'll show you how to add exactly the columns you want in under 60 seconds. No more hunting through scattered fields, no more switching tabs. Just a clean, tailored table that shows you what matters. We'll open Pipedrive, go to People, customize the table columns, and save. Let's start. All right, the first thing you'll want to do is open up Pipedrive and sign in. You're probably already there, so let's jump straight in. From the left sidebar, click on Contacts. This is where Pipedrive stores all your person and organization records. Inside Contacts, you'll see a submenu. Go ahead and select People. This will load up your list of contacts. Now, give it just a moment for the People list page to load. Depending on how many contacts you have, this might take a second or two. Here's the important part. Look at the far right side of the table, just above the first row of contacts. You'll see a small gear icon. It's easy to miss if you're not looking for it. Click that gear icon. This will open up a panel on the right side of your screen called Customize Columns. You might see a brief loading animation here, but it should pop up pretty quickly. Inside this panel, you'll see a long list of available fields. These are all the different data points you can track in Pipedrive. Scroll through the list and find the field you want to add as a column. Maybe you want to see who owns each contact, or when your next activity is due. Once you spot the field you need, just check the box beside its name. You can select multiple fields at once if you want to add several columns. After you've made your selections, click the Save button at the bottom of the panel. Pipedrive will automatically refresh your table, and you should see your new column appear. Let me walk you through a few examples that I found really useful. First, the Owner column. This shows you exactly which team member is responsible for each contact. No more guessing or digging into individual profiles. Next activity date. This one is a lifesaver for planning your day. It shows the upcoming task or meeting for each person, right in the table. You can also add Open Deals and Close Deals columns. These give you a quick count of how many deals each contact is involved in, which is great for prioritizing your outreach. And don't forget email. Adding this column saves you from clicking into every contact just to grab their email address. So, to recap the whole process, open Pipedrive, go to Contacts, then People, click the gear icon, scroll through the fields, check the boxes you want, and hit Save. It really is that simple. And here's a pro tip that takes this to the next level. Once your columns are added, you can drag and drop them to Reorder. Just grab the column header and move it left or right to put the most important data front and center. Try adding a couple of columns on your own right now. It only takes a minute, and you'll wonder how you ever worked without them. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!